Hello, today I am doing a review. This was sent to me from Amazon free of charge in order to do an honest review. So I will leave a link to this product in my description box. That way you can go check it out for yourself. But let's go ahead and open it. Where is... I have no idea where I stuck my box cutter. Okay. Hopefully I got that open enough. Okay. We got it. Alright, so what we have here is going to be a vase, and that is all that is in the box. So it should look like this when completed. So it comes with your instructions, which this is really cool because I've been diamond painting since 2019. And a lot of the times when you get a off-canvas project like this that has to be put together, there's no instructions. So this is pretty cool that they actually put them in here and you can read them and understand them. So that's pretty cool. Comes with a standard toolkit, which comes pretty much with all diamond paintings. The colors of the boats might be different. They might add a few extras, but you always get a standard toolkit, which is a green boat, a square of wax, some baggies, and a single placer pink pen. Alright, so it has all of the pieces that we're going to need, and this is wood. So you're going to diamond paint this side. I was just looking to see what that was. It's a butterfly. So you're going to pull this little protective piece of plastic back, and you're going to diamond paint this whole thing. This is also got a this is sticky. Okay. So I think it's showing that you would put those together. Yeah. So when you get done putting the diamonds on this, you're going to peel this sticky back off. You're going to put them together. Make sure you line up the holes in there, if you can see that. That way your pieces are going to fit. You're going to do both sides, maybe? No, I don't know. Let's open it. Okay, so here's the bottom piece, or the top piece rather. You're going to diamond paint this. Oh, it even sends you the little, this is plastic. But it's neat that they sent this with it. So you're going to put water in this, and then that's where you're going to put your flowers. Of course, you're not going to be able to put a whole bouquet in here, but you can do like a couple red roses or whatever. So you're going to diamond paint both sides. Now, these are acrylic. So you've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's odd. So you've got 9 of these to do, front and back. And then you're going to, when you're completely done, you're going to put this together. You're going to make sure those holes line up before you stick that on there. And then you're going to just set these in there Just like that, all the way around. And then you'll put this, because the little holes are on that side, you'll put this on there, and then this will go down in that. Yeah. And then you can put water in there and put you a couple long stem flowers. That's pretty cool. I've never seen one of these, but they do have a store on Amazon, and they do carry different ones. These are all, they have all different colors of these and different designs. Or maybe it goes like that. I don't know. No. It does go. This part goes in here. Yeah. But you're going to do that all the way around once you get done putting your diamonds in it. And then you'll have your little decorative vase. You can set these on your desk. You can set it on your entertainment center, wherever. And you can have you some fresh flowers. Put it in a windowsill, whatever. So this is pretty nice. And let's look at the crystals. I almost forgot about them. They're pretty. So you've got quite a few. 14 colors. Very pretty. Just all kinds of purples, pinks, yellows, greens. So this is going to be very pretty when it's done. Really pretty. Alright, so I will leave a link to this in my description box. And y'all can go check this little company out. I do know that they also, if you are into needle punch, they do have some needle punch crafts also. So, thank you for watching, and go check the store out. Thanks.